In today's evolving business landscape, diversity and inclusivity are key drivers of growth and innovation. As part of this movement, the Women's Business Enterprise Certification has emerged as a valuable recognition for women entrepreneurs, promoting their participation and success in the business world. A Women's Business Enterprise Certification, or WBE Business Certification, defines your business as being owned, operated, and controlled by a woman. It is a formal recognition bestowed upon women-owned businesses by certifying organizations. If your business has the capacity to deliver products and services for large contracts and targets corporations, retail, and/or government agencies, the WBE certification may be right for you. Certification is a valuable marketing tool for your small business and can give you special consideration when bidding on contracts with the local government. In order for a business to have a chance at the WBE certification application being accepted, the company must be owned by a woman, or women must own at least 51% of the company. At least one or more women must have unrestricted control of the business, a demonstrated management of day-to-day operations, and a proportionate investment of capital or expertise. To obtain the WBE certification, a business must undergo a rigorous application and evaluation process. This process may involve document verification, site visits, interviews, and financial reviews to ensure compliance with the certification criteria. During the certification process, there will be checks to ensure that the woman or women who have a majority share of the company are actually active parts of the business's operations in some way. Once certified, the business is included in a database accessible to corporations and government entities seeking supplier diversity. The specific requirements for WBE certification may vary depending on the certifying organization. Requirements include, but are not limited to, ownership. The business must have majority, at least 51%, ownership by one or more women. Control. Demonstrated proof of female management and control of business. Women owners must exercise operational and strategic control over the business. Management. Unrestricted female control of the business in legal documents and day-to-day operations. Women must hold key leadership positions and be actively involved in the company's management. A woman holding the highest defined title in the company's legal documents, documented evidence of female contribution of capital and/or industry expertise, status of U.S. citizenship or legal resident alien for a woman owner constituting majority ownership. To obtain the Women's Business Enterprise Certification, there are specific steps to follow and essential documents to prepare, ensuring a comprehensive application process. A signed affidavit. If you are lying about your company being run by a majority of women, you can be held accountable for lying. Proof of gender. This can come in the form of a birth certificate, a passport, or a license. Financial statements. You have to show statements that look into the financial history of the company as well as your tax returns from the last 3 years. Personal tax returns have to be available for anyone who owns more than 10% of the company. List of personnel. You will have to include a list of all of your personnel as well as a copy of your most recently monthly payroll. If you think you might qualify, then it's in your best interest to apply for the WBE certification. You have nothing to lose, but the potential benefits are too promising to pass up. They include, but are not limited to, access to opportunities such as large corporations and federal agencies. The WBE certification provides access to procurement opportunities with corporations and government agencies committed to supplier diversity. The possibility of qualifying for specialized loans and small business grants set aside for women-owned businesses. Mentoring and education. Certification programs often provide access to mentoring, educational resources, technical assistance, training help, educational seminars, and workshops designed to foster business growth and development. Access to training and educational programs exclusive to WOSB. Networking and collaboration. Certification opens doors to networking events, conferences, and industry-specific platforms, facilitating collaborations and partnerships. Supplier diversity programs. Many corporations have supplier diversity initiatives, and by being certified, women-owned businesses can become part of these programs, increasing their chances of securing contracts. You get to connect directly with buyers looking to meet their 5% subcontracting federal goals. Competitive advantage. The certification sets women-owned businesses apart from their competitors, enhancing their credibility and reputation. Certification of your business as a success now or in the future. Access to leads for bids and proposals. Introduction to businesses and corporations at local, state, and federal levels, and the opportunity to get more jobs than before your WBE certification. The Women's Business Enterprise Certification serves as a powerful tool for women entrepreneurs to establish their presence in the business world, expand their networks, and access lucrative opportunities. By recognizing and promoting the achievements of women owned businesses, WBE certification contributes to the overall goal of fostering diversity, inclusivity, and gender equality in the realm of entrepreneurship. It is an invaluable resource for women who seek to make a significant impact in their industries and drive economic growth through their innovative ventures. The certification lasts for 1 year from the date of issue. WBEs that wish to remain certified must recertify each year. There are more specific documents and other details to the WBE certification application, and we at BizCentral USA would be more than happy to help walk you through all of the requirements. Before you apply for the WBE certification, you need to have everything in order. That may require proving that the business is owned or operated by a woman. You may have to simply supply additional documentation as well. We have certification consultants who specialize in knowing what you need to successfully submit your application. Our services remain available even after you have received approval. If you feel ready to start on your certification application but are uncertain about the initial steps, reach out to us today for comprehensive assistance through the entire process. We possess the expertise to guide you in gathering the necessary requirements for your WBE certification application and ensure a successful application submission. If interested, don't hesitate to contact us.